Hi, this is Shakti. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can roll back the Elementor to a older version. I'm going to use three methods for it. If you are not having access to the WordPress control panel, I mean the WordPress admin panel, due to some error caused by the latest version of your Elementor, you can skip the method 1 and 2 and directly watch the method 3. So this is the method 1. Go to the plugins section of your WordPress admin panel. I'm using a sample website, so this is my sample website. I have a Elementor free version 3.2 3.4, so this is the version I'm using. In order to roll back to the previous version, just go to the Elementor on the left hand side and go to tools. So select the version control tab. Here you can see the rollback version. You can just click on this. There are lots of older version here. I'm going to choose the 3.2 3.0. You can choose anything from the list and click reinstall. It will show this dialog box where you can just click continue. So now it downloads the Elementor older version from the WordPress plugin repo and then install it and replace it with the latest version you are using. So it will take a few minutes to get the installation done. So now the plugin is reactivated. I'm going to the plugin page where you can now see it's reinstalled with the 3.2 3.0. So for the testing purpose, I'm going to update the Elementor again and show you the second method we are going to use. So I'm going to refresh this page. The Elementor is now again on the latest version of 3.2 3.4. If in case the first method didn't work for you, go to the WordPress plugins repository page. You can find that on wordpress.org/plugins. This page will come up. Go to the search bar and search for Elementor. So this is the Elementor plugin. I'm clicking on it. Scroll down. As you can see, there is an advanced view option. Click on that and scroll again to the bottom of this page. You can see there we can choose previous versions from the list. Click on it. Here in this list we can able to find a lot more older version than the method 1. If in case you need a older version than the method 1, you need to use this method 2. So I'm going to use this 3.20.0. Download that. After the download got completed, go to the WordPress admin panel plugin page. Click on the add new plugin option. Click on the upload plugin button. Choose your file which we have just downloaded. So this is the Elementor 3.20.0 version. I'm opening it and clicking on the install now button. So the plugin file gets uploaded to the hosting server and it's going to replace the latest version of your Elementor. So here I can see this is my current version and this is the uploaded version. I'm okay with it. I'm going to just click on the replace current with uploaded. Now it's got replaced. I'm going to the plugin page. Here you can now see the version got replaced with the older version. If in case the method 1 and 2 isn't working for you and you can't able to access the WordPress admin panel because of the latest Elementor update caused an error on your website, so this method 3 will help you on fixing the WordPress website. Go to your hosting provider. Here I'm using a cloud control panel. I'm using a VPS control panel. If you are using a cPanel based hosting provider or any hosting provider, just go to your hosting control panel and go to your application file manager. Here, this is my file manager. I'm going to the WordPress public HTML. Go to the WP content folder. Inside that, find plugins folder. Click on it, and now you can see the Elementor folder from here. Just click the Elementor folder and delete it. You need to delete the Elementor folder completely. So if you delete the Elementor folder here, now I'm going to the plugin page. I'm going to refresh the plugin page. Now you can see the plugin is not found. It gets removed from the list of plugins. Now I have to click on the add new plugin and upload plugin option. Choose the file I have downloaded on the previous step. Here I already have a Elementor file 3.20.0, a older version of Elementor. I'm just clicking on the open and click install now button. Just click on activate. I'm going to skip this step. I'm going to close this tab, and I'm going to show you the Elementor version I'm using, which is 3.20.0, which I have downloaded from the previous method here. If you haven't watched the method 2, here go to the wordpress.org/plugins/Elementor and click on the advanced view tab. Here you can choose the previous version from here and download it. So this is how you need to roll back the Elementor to the previous version or older version of your choice. The method 3 works for any plugins you are using, not only limited to Elementor. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.